Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Namhang Smartwatch. It's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Oh yeah, and it looks really beautiful. You can see 1.32 inches touchscreen, IP67 waterproof. It is a fitness tracker with heart rate, sleep monitor for iPhone or Android phone because you can pair them. Smartwatch with calling function. This smartwatch can receive and make phone calls with the built-in speaker and microphone. Also, we can adjust the volume when answering the calls. The connection is fast and stable with the BLE 5.0 call, BLE 3.0, the latest version of Bluetooth. And the watch will vibrate to inform us for the incoming message notifications from WhatsApp, SMS, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, etc. And we have a multifunctional woman smartwatch here. This smartwatch is compatible with Android iOS, and it is IP67 waterproof. It allows to wash the hands, swim with the watch, maybe not seawater or hot bath due to the steam, which will corrode the chip. It supports multiple languages. There are more convenient functions like weather forecast, find the phone function, music control, remote camera, stopwatch, timer, alert clock, brightness adjustment, flashlight, blood pressure, etc., etc., etc. It can meet our daily needs really. And this latest fitness watch here has multiple options to monitor exercise regime like walking, running, cycling, etc. The smartwatch can be connected to the phone's GPS to view the track of the movement. Pace and the activity tracker can track exercise calories, distance, steps, time, heart rate. This classy design smartwatch is beautiful, easy to navigate, the best choice for fitness lovers out there. The smartwatch fitness tracker built-in heart rate sensor allows to focus on our physical health. It can also measure our sleep time automatically, including the deep sleep, light sleep, and wake-up time. And female users can use the female module to record menstrual cycle and physical information. The screen size is 1.32 inches. It is big enough for us to see all options. And the Namhang Woman Smartwatch provides 4 watch faces and so much more for us to choose. Moreover, we can choose from the picture gallery or we can select our own photos for the face background on the Fit Cloud Pro app. This showing us an own style and makes our smartphone more unique. We have an easy installation process. That means we have to download the app, of course. After we downloaded the app, we can start pairing them. It's really easy, as you can see. And if they are paired, you can use the app, to make a clear, easy setup on the smartwatch. You can use the smartwatch, of course, without the smartphone. That's possible too. But I think it's a good team to use it both. It's better. And then when we are using the smartwatch, we can press the one button to return or long press to power off and power on. We short press to choose the function options when the main dial shows up, and we slide up and down when the screen to select the functions such as calling, sports status, exercise, sports records, heart rate, sleeping, blood pressure, blood oxygen, information, weather, woman, music, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, mobile phone, 13 settings, and so on and so on. Because there are 2 buttons on this on the side of the watch, we have a touch screen. That means there are enough possibilities to navigate through the options of the watch by using our fingers. We single press to enter the sports mode, for example. On the button, we click once to enter the menu. On the other button, we double click to switch to styles. We download and open the Fit Cloud Pro app, and we search for the Bluetooth device Y33 and connect the Bluetooth connection. We connect and call Bluetooth. We open the Bluetooth options, the phone settings, and search Y33LE device. After connection, we can use the Bluetooth call. The phone can play music and other audio transmission functions. And we have a span mode. On the home screen, we swipe to the right in order to enter the span mode, and then we select the corresponding icon to open this split screen. It's really comfortable. We have controlling center features in easily. That means we have their brightness settings, mobile phone searching, audio switches. That's a controlling center. So the maintenance thing are there to choose. We have sports status. It can display the number of sports steps, distance, and calorie data recording on the day. And it can also set the target number of the sports steps, distance, and calories in the app. We have a call function app on our watch. The call function is available when the Bluetooth of the mobile phone and our wrist are connected successfully, and also the app needs to be running in the same time. Then we can call with our watch. We have sports app. The sports mode comes with walking, running, mountaineering, cycling, basketball, badminton, football, elliptical machine, yoga, table tennis, rope skipping, tennis, baseball, football, hula hoop, golf, long jump, side-up, volleyball mode. And there are sports records. This interface saves our exercise history, records of the 10 days, and allows us to check the data, such as sport duration, heart rate, and calories too. Then we have the heart rate. When entering the interface to the heart rate, the measurement, the bottom green light will be seen, and there will be a vibration reminder when the measurement is completed in about 40 seconds. We have a sleeping mode. It shows the monitoring status of the sleeping time. The data is updated every day. We have blood pressure mode. When entering the interface of the blood pressure measurement, the green light at the bottom will start, of course, show up, and then it can be measured for 30 up to 60 seconds. Then we have a blood oxygen option. That means a green light will come, 36 up to 60 seconds, you will have a measurement done. Then we have a woman's health, music. After we watch is connected to the app, we can control the pause or start the phone's music player, volume adjusting, and song switching. The weather app will connect us with the local weather, for example, alarm clock. We can make alerts, stopwatch. We can stop a little bit, a timer function, and message. After the watch is connected to the app, if we choose to receive the relevant information in the app terminal, then the watch terminal will also receive this corresponding message. It can save the latest 15 messages at most. Then we can search our mobile phone by an app on the watch. We can choose settings to make a setup easily. Then we sedentary reminder and water drinking reminder. You can see this watch here can help us in so many different things. That's really awesome. It is a good team because you will need your smartphone and you use that smartwatch in a team. And this team makes a good job together. Really cool. You do not need the watch, the smartphone, of course, but it's better. I think it's the best way. It's possible to use that app to connect each other on the Android Play Store and, of course, on Apple iOS Store too. This is the really awesome Namheng Smartwatch. It's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch make and receive calls. 1.32 inches touchscreen, IP thick waterproof. It is an awesome fitness tracker with a heart rate, sleep monitor for Apple iPhone and Google Android and other Android small phones out there. That's a really cool smart dial watch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.